Christy. Yeah.
I don't know how to figure out how you do the freaking volume on this thing. Sorry. I thought so too.
Come over here and hit me for. Yeah. Wow. You don't want to get me mad. You don't want to mess with this.
So you guys aren't ready yet? I mean, I thought
Pansy,
you'd be
go
ready.
get him. Go get him.
Go get Daddy.
Go get him.
Go get Daddy.
They're ready. They don't have to wear clothes.
Go get Daddy.
All right.
Hey.
What are you taking?
Good girl.
You got their snacks back?
No, I gotta do that. Get him, Pansy. Pansy, get him. Get him. Good girl.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
Say no.
Go hit Daddy. Go hit Daddy. Mine.
Yeah, mine.
Mine. Is that a nice soft doggy? Soft, right?
That's Madison's.
It's alright, they share because they're sisters, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, okay. What's that for the beach? Where's hers? There you go. Where'd you go? Here. You've had just as much toys, but I don't know how to get it swallowed up in the car.
Just looking in the bucket like.
What do you got? Oh! You got the ShopRite version. You got a spoon? Say spoon. You got a knife?
Wow.
That's the Jersey Shore version.
Good job, Pans. So get this junk out of here.
Whoa! Fork!
Good job, Maddie.
That's the survival kit one.
Like you put your finger in here.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah, what that, you all you got is a shovel, Pansy?
And like you shove.
That's why she had the Jersey kit. So it won't happen again when it's left. So slice it.
Where'd all your stuff go? Where'd your stuff go? Yeah, take that back.
Yeah, gotta have a little something. Yeah.
Gotta go pee-pee? Go pee-pee. I'll pause it.
Yeah, we'll pause it.
You don't have to pause when I go pee.
Well, go pee-pee.
Oh, cool.
Go.
You don't have to pause it.
Okay,